The 2007 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, CD changer, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, traction control, remote engine start, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Your new ride is just a phone call away.